How to fix file format not supported on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix the file format not supported on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you're getting the error file format not supported, it's likely because the file that you're trying to send is in a format that WhatsApp does not support. So for that, first of all, check the file type. WhatsApp supports various file type of files such as images, videos, documents, and audio. So if you are trying to send a file that is not supported, then you may need to convert it. So if you want to convert it, you can use a photo editor or the online tool to convert JPG to PNG. Or if you want to convert video to MP4, you can use an online converter. You can open up the browser and then search for video to MP4 converter and convert your video. Or if you have any other document that is not supported, then you can convert it into PDF. So for that, again, open up your browser, search for file to PDF converter, and there you can convert your file into PDF. But if that's not your case, sometimes the file extension might be incorrect, so you can try to rename the file to include the correct extension. Simply head towards the file and there tap on rename option and there look for the file extension. And if that's not your case, again, you can check the file size. WhatsApp has a file limit or the file size limit. So if your file is too large, you may need to compress it or split it into smaller parts. And if this still does not help you, ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp application. If you want to check the updates, head over to Play Store and then search for WhatsApp in the search bar. If you find an update option, that means your application is not updated, so make sure to update it. But if you continue to face the issues, you can try to send the file from different device or reinstall the WhatsApp to fix any application related problems. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.